welcome again to another episode of Inspire and Lead. So we are still on our papaya journey. We have not left the other half. So last episode I showed you how to make with one papaya, half of the papaya to make a papaya soup. Today I'm going to show you how to make a papaya patty. And along with the patty we will see how to make a hot mayo dip. So let's get going to see how to make papaya patty and hot mayo dip. Let's check out what are the ingredients to make papaya patty. So the other half of the papaya I have grated here finely and washed to take out the sap and completely drained. So it's nicely drained papaya I have here grated. Then I have like a bunch of cilantro finely chopped, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 medium-sized red onion, big ones, finely chopped. And then I have 2 potatoes here, boiled and completely mashed. So I'm going to mash this one too, and then just pepper and some salt. This is a very easy recipe and fun to make also. So let's get mashing the potatoes. So to make the patty, first we have our shredded papaya. We'll just mix everything, the cilantro, the garlic, the chopped onion, and then our boiled and mashed potatoes. We're going to add some crushed pepper, almost there. We'll add some salt, so half a teaspoon salt, or to taste, whatever. Okay, what I'm going to do, which I did not mention in my ingredients, but I thought later on that may be good to add, to get a little bit crispier, instead of adding breadcrumbs, why don't we add some semolina or suji, Rava. So I have here almost like 1/3 cup of semolina. So it will give, when we are frying it, it will give a more crispier taste. You can use breadcrumbs too if needed, or you can totally avoid this step. So I must add like around 3 tablespoons now. So I have combined all of the ingredients here. I kind of put all of the 1/3 cup that I took of the semolina I have incorporated here just for the crispiness. I think it's important because papaya by itself will not get crispy, so we need something to make the patty crispy. You could add, again, you could add breadcrumbs, but I like the taste of the semolina. And here the flavor for this patty, it comes only from the cilantro and from the garlic. And for the spiciness, only spice that we added right now is the black pepper, the crushed black pepper. I did not put any green chili or anything like that. So that's enough to make this patty. The next step is to ball and shape it into a patty, and then we have to get it frying. So all the papaya patties are shaped now. I've put a cast iron here to a pan here to be hot, and I added some oil to it. It's nice and hot, you can feel it. So we'll start putting one by one the patty so that we can fry them. Strain it, and like this we will fry all of the papaya patty. So as the papaya patties are cooking, we'll make a dip. This is a hot mayo dip. So I have almost half a cup of mayonnaise here. And then if you have fresh parsley and fresh mint, you can use that, but I'm using dried because I ran out of parsley and mint. So I'm using dried parsley here, almost 1 tablespoon. And then mint, again this is almost 1 tablespoon of mint. Chili flakes, dried chili flakes, half a teaspoon. Again, it's according to your spiciness. And I'm going to add hot sauce because again we are going to do hot dip. So there's going to be like 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot sauce, and then salt to taste. Your hot mayo dip is ready. So our papaya patty and the hot dip is ready. For half papaya, we got almost 15 papaya patties. I'll open one and show you. You can see that nice grated papaya here, flaky. Okay, so do try. And the dip here also is there that goes with it. You can make any kind of dip. I just made a hot dip to go with this papaya patty. So there you go. We come to an end of our papaya journey. We made 2 healthy recipes. Last week we made a papaya soup. This week we've made papaya patty. So they're healthy but simple. So do try out. But before you go, do subscribe, like and share my video. And wait a minute, next week there's another interesting segment coming from Inspire and Lead. So do stay around and we'll see you then. Until then, this is Preetha signing out.